Hi guys, hello, this is Akshay Kumar. Hi guys, welcome to a group of solutions. I'm this is like Akshay over here right now. I would like to explain you all about this Python curriculum. This is our lecture 2. I hope the introduction session is clear to everyone. So next now at present, let me introduce you to this Python classes right now. So I hope this is a curriculum which I'm going to show you right now on the screen. Day one, what do we want to do on day one? So this is nothing but we're going to take some introduction and why we use Python. This is going to be another introduction, and we're going to come on to this next one is installation of Python, and setting up variable environments and variables. I'm going to show you, don't worry about this. Each and everything we are going to discuss, and also we are going to introduce you everything about Python modules things. Now next question comes, which text editor need to be used for this coding writing? Okay, we can check it out. And now you can see let's write our first core Python. Okay, on a day one, and we are going to learn about some basic syntax and how to execute the code, where to execute the code, how to execute by using CMD. I'm sorry guys, one second, just allow me a moment. Yeah, so right now I'm going to do show you how to, for this one I'm going to show how to using CMD command prompt. I'm going to use this command prompt, and I'm going to give you how to use this. Okay, clear. Now coming to day 2, so we are going to learn some certain functions this all functions how to use print statements, what are these variables, format methods, types, functions. Okay, now coming to 3, this is a very important, this very important role for everything you can use by operators, arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical. This logical in the sense nothing but and or yeah, I'm going to go much deeper when I'm coming to on a day 3 session of the class. Don't worry guys, when I'm on to the day 3 session, I'm going to definitely going to explain you. Don't worry about those things right now. Just have a glance what a curriculum basic concepts runs up right now. Okay, on the day 4, we're going to learn about some data types, what is int, what is float, what is complex, string, list, tuples, boolean, dictionaries, sets, binary conversions. On the day 5, we're going to learn about little, not much complicated. These are we can also call as some data structures. Data. Okay, we are going to learn about some data structures over here. For that is string, concatenation, modification, slicing, and typecasting. This is one of the major important topics. We are going to cover typecasting. So now we're going to come down on the day 6. What are the day 6 we are going to cover? List methods. What are list methods? List functions, constructions, and what are the access specifier using index and range functions. These are very very important for building our projects. Sometimes we're going to choose range function 0 comma 1. So don't worry, no guys, don't worry about right now. This is not much important to you all right now. This is we are going we are going to follow day by day curriculum. Don't worry about this. This is about day 6, but I'm just giving you over brief explanation what the core course consists of. Now coming to day 7, we have some this range, insert, append, insert, extend, remove, pop. These are nothing but we can use this for data structures, where we are going to make use of these things for sometimes for our real-time projects. We are going to make use for real-time projects, So this is like same thing, like how we are going to deal upstairs. But we have for guys, we are going to have different for different data structure types for list, like tuples, dictionary. This is for list. Okay. Now coming to tuples, these are like immutables. Once we define, we'll never we cannot we cannot change the things. This is immutable. So when I'm coming to class, I'm going to explain you about deep more about this whole topic. Okay. Sets. I hope you guys learned about sets in your lower class, lower classes. That is nothing but union, intersection. And we have some other things. I'm going to go more deeper when I'm coming to class. And this is the same thing which we're going to use these things. This is dictionary. Dictionary is nothing but we want to store our key value, like thing like this is what do you say, one, and I mean I'm going to store as car here, and I can access through one. When I access this element of one, the output will be shown to me like car. This is for one of good thing, this data structure make use of keys. I really like this, personally I really like this concept of dictionaries. Oh, this is very most important, if you want to write any logic control the program, we are going to use of if, else, elif, try, except. These are the very important blocks of the code. Sorry guys, I'm sorry for this. Okay. So now we have some loops. Think if you want to write a I mean hello world program. This is thing P is nothing but program. If you want to write like this is some scenario call, you need to print 1,000 times hello. You cannot write all the way all the time print. I'm not going to write this, right? So we can make use of for loop for printing this 1,000 times this program hello program. Okay. Hello program for 1,000 times. Okay. Now coming to functions, we have some functions is nothing but not our casual functions over here. So functions are the concept we are going to use for write once, execute a number of times. Think I wrote this print, not print. I mean sorry. Take my name as Akshay. We have wrote this print somewhere here and somewhere little here, and still you can call this name anytime, any moment, anywhere. Okay. In that scenario, function works. I'm going to give you live examples when the concepts comes up. Don't worry about things right now. Just focus what I'm just wanted to say you. And we have date, module, time, math, nothing but our mathematical calculation things. Okay. These topics are very important, like regular expressions and try blocks. Just now we had a discussion about this health and blocks. Same thing occurs here. Another important concept of here is tradings. Guys, have you heard about this tradings? I don't think most of the people don't know about this tradings. If you're from Java background, you need to know. I think you'll perfectly know about threads. Threads are nothing but multi-process of handling. Think you're playing some GTFI game over here, GTFI, and performing background some music I think I'm going to explain you this topic when our topics comes up. Now let's check on to 19th. File. This is also very important topic file handlings. How do you basically create some project? You think you created some project. This is my project. Okay. I took a project called, one second, I took a project called face recognition. Face recognition. So when I use this face recognition, it captures some images, right? The images are stored in some files. You always don't know go and take this image and drop over in this file. This is not good way like advising. Once you fix this file concept, by using this file concept, once you use this all things close, write, it automatically writes, reads, close. Okay. Same thing when we map to our real time project over here. Automatic this will stored in a file, so that every file everything going to be stored. That's no problem at all. We have this Python supports this file concept. Not only in this, actually files concept are also in the C language also, where we learn from C language everything. But I think if you are really new also, but no worries, I'm going to teach you like basic how to use these file concepts. Don't worry about this thing. Now we have some other this is little advanced compared to if you want to create some view, I mean like basic GUI. I'm going to give you some small example and end this session for this topic. GUI, what is this stands for? Graphical user interface. Think you can take a live example of the Windows, this is this is a this thing like this is a laptop. This are the Windows. Think like this is a GTA 5 game. I'm having like some GTA 5 game over here. I'm going to explain you again over there also, and this is like small explanation. Windows is allowing to give you shortcut of GTA 5. So this is a graphical interface like where Microsoft provides some graphical interface for user to interact. You're interacting here. So that's the point I wanted to make sure about this graphical user interface. Trust me guys, I'm going to clear your each and every point of your doubts also. If it takes little time also, I'll definitely going to answer your queries. But it's had practice with me. Now coming to day 21, still we are going to gateway communication. We're going to use HTTP server, how to communicate to local. Not only local, we are going to also explore local also very soon. Once these topics are clear out to you one by one, I'm going to explore all things for you. Okay. And databases, how do you can cloud databases. I'm going to show you two type of databases. One is cloud, another one local DB database. Okay, I'm going to show this via SQL. Another one I'm going to show you via MongoDB or some other Firebase. Okay, don't worry about these things. I'm going to deal with you. I'm going to how to show how to create a table, what is the methods used to drop the queries. Okay, and this is all about the things guys. I hope you guys are clear about these things. Thank you guys, have a good day. Thank you. Please subscribe on the channel.